With the wildfires continuing to affect the lives of those in British Columbia and the Northwest Territories, Alberta has become a temporary home for many of those displaced. I know this is a difficult time for those who have flown or driven to our area recently, and my heart is heavy for you and your family. After all, home is where we feel most comfortable, loved, and protected. Home is where memories are shared and made. Most importantly, your home is where your loved ones come together to celebrate life's special milestones. I'm putting a call out to all Albertans, province-wide. If you see someone who has been displaced, let's show them how neighborly and friendly we are. Ask them, is there anything I can do to help? I may not know what to do, but I would like to assist in some way. This could be anything from paying for someone's dinner to helping them find their way around so they don't get lost. In the past 2 days, I've approached someone with a polar bear license plate twice, assuming they being a wildfire evacuee from the Northwest Territories. In asking, how can I help, I received a big smile and a look of, oh my gosh. One such interaction led to an opportunity for my wife and I to host a family from Yellowknife for a pizza supper and a movie.
I was in Fort McMurray during the wildfire in 2016 and had to evacuate the city like many of my friends. I was fortunate and I had a place to stay in Edmonton, yet some didn't, and this didn't make it easy for them. I still remember driving around the city helping to deliver some goods to some of the people that were displaced. While being proud of what they could do themselves, the smallest gesture made all the difference because I still remember when I delivered socks and shampoo to one of my friends, there was one less burden of trying to find the items themselves.
Together, let's make this simple gesture a Northern Handshake. This Northern Handshake can act like a weight lifted off people's shoulders. This simple question of, is there anything I can do to help, may build a bridge to create a sense of belonging and relieving some pressure from their lives. Do the small things because it makes a positive impact in someone's life.